Hi, Tyler Daniel, Application Engineer at Exair Corporation here. Today I'd like to talk to you about Exair's new Gen4 Power Supply. All of Exair's new Gen4 static eliminators have utilized a new power supply in order to produce the static eliminating ions. This power supply has been redesigned with stainless steel ports, a selectable voltage input for 115 or 230 VAC, a replaceable power switch, as well as a replaceable fuse. The fuse is located at the back of the power supply, just above the input for the power cord. Before removing the fuse, disconnect the power cord. Using a small screwdriver, pry open the tray, locating the fuse. Inspect the fuse wire. Any gap in the wire or a dark smear inside the glass indicates that the fuse is blown and needs to be replaced. If you're unable to tell if the fuse is blown, you can also check for continuity with a multimeter. If you confirm that the fuse is blown, replace it with the existing fuse included with the power supply. Then reinstall the tray. After replacing the blown fuse, you may turn on the power supply. Light should come on, indicating that power is to the unit. As the temperatures continue to drop as winter approaches, humidity also drops, causing an increase in static problems. Don't let static wreak havoc in your processes. Contact an application engineer today.